Welcome! In today's quick guide, we're walking through exactly how to find your starred emails on Gmail using your mobile device. Whether you've marked important messages for later or just need to get back to something you flagged, this simple tutorial will make sure you never lose track of your most important emails again. Let's get right into it. The first thing you need to do is open the Gmail app on your phone. Make sure you're signed in to the right Google account, especially if you use more than one. Once the app opens, you'll see your inbox. That's where all your recent emails live. Now, take a look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll notice 3 horizontal lines. That's the menu icon, often called the hamburger icon. Go ahead and tap on it. This will open a list of all your Gmail sections, including your inbox, drafts, sent mail, and more. From this list, scroll until you find the option labeled Starred. Tap on it. Instantly, Gmail will pull up a page showing every email you've ever marked with a star. These are the messages you've highlighted as important, saved for later, or simply didn't want to lose in the shuffle. Here, you can scroll through your starred emails just like you would your regular inbox. To open any message, simply tap on it, and if you'd like to unstar an email, you can tap the star icon again. It will turn from gold back to its regular outline, removing it from the starred section. If you ever want to find your starred messages even faster, remember that you can also use Gmail's search bar at the top. Just type "is" starred into the search bar, and Gmail will show you the same list of highlighted emails in seconds. And that's it, a quick and easy way to find all of your starred emails using the Gmail app. Now you'll always know exactly where to look for the messages that matter most to you. Don't forget to keep your inbox organized by starring only the emails you truly need to revisit later.